in coast down test, what happens, we take the vehicle on a flat road. So let's say my vehicle is here, and what I did, I accelerated my vehicle to a certain speed. For an example, let's say 40 kmph. And then what I did, I switched off the motor so that I can take the influence of the motor out of the vehicle and allowed this vehicle to stop by itself. And then I am measuring only two parameters. The first parameter is the distance and the second parameter is the time to stop. So let's say after this vehicle starts slowing down, and here the vehicle got completely stopped. And I measured what is the distance and what is the time it took to stop. So when I measured, let's say I got the value 150 meter, and the time to stop is I got it is 30 seconds. But as per the calculation, the distance supposed to be 357 meter and the time supposed to be 67 second. And hence I can go to the car manufacturer and say, hey, as per the given parameter and the calculation, distance should be 357, but it stopped much before, which is 150 meter only, and the time should be 67 second, but it was stopped much earlier than this, which is 30 second. And hence there is nothing a problem in my motor, there is something problem in your vehicle, and that's how you resolve this conflict. So the only thing is left to find the formula for the distance in terms of given vehicle parameter and also time to stop in terms of given vehicle parameter. So let's go ahead and derive this formula.